On this day in history, 28 September 1837, Bahadur Shah Zafar became the emperor of the Mughal Empire. He was the final emperor who ruled India for 20 years. Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar, also known as Emperor Bahadur Shah II, was born on 24th October 1775. He was the second son and successor to his father, Emperor Akbar II. Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar was coronated on 29 September 1837 at the Red Fort in Delhi. During and before the start of his reign, the Mughal Empire had become very weak, which made him a titular emperor. Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar's rule abolished on 21st September 1857, bringing an end to the 200 years of Mughal rule over India.